All right, so we've got this question. Which list shows these numbers in order from least to greatest? So we are looking at ascending order. So what we can do is we can use Desmos to make a number line and put these numbers on there. So we'll zoom out here a little bit. We're going to first start by hitting the wrench button. That's the graph settings. Turn off the grid, turn off the y-axis. So now we have our x-axis here. I'm going to move this over just a little bit. Okay, so we've just got our x-axis, which is going to act like a number line. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the plus button, add a table, and we're going to put these numbers in just how we see them written there. So 37 divided by 6 is the first number. The next number is negative 5.17 repeating. I'm going to just round that to negative 5.18. Actually, I'll leave it negative 5.17 because that would round it correctly. The next number is square root of 33, so I type in square root of 33. The last number is negative 26 over 5. So I've got my 4 numbers in. Now all I need to do is put in zeros in the y values, and it goes ahead and plots all my points. So now what I can do is I can zoom in. These two got pretty close to each other, so let me see. This one's negative 5.22, or sorry, negative 5.2, and then negative 5.17. So it looks like negative 26.5 is the first number. Negative 26 over 5 is the first number. The second number was negative 5.17 repeating. So I can get rid of G and J. I just have F and H left. So I've got to figure out which one was bigger, the square root of 33 or 37 over 6. So if I type in square root of 33, that's 5.744. Looks like it's the square root of 33, and then next would be 37 over 6. All right, so looks like H would be the correct answer for that problem.